Hey guys, how's it going? It is Jesse, the couch movie critic, and once again we are back in the kitchen, and today we're doing an unboxing. And this is a tech unboxing. Today we're doing a unboxing of the TOZO T10 IPX waterproof earbuds. Recently, Leia, the bad dog Falto, decided to eat my Bluetooth earpiece, which I was totally okay with. It's not, and that's not actually totally true. I was furious about it. I have a couple different headsets. I've got my hardwired ones, the dual ones that I did the unboxing for prior to. I have my Beats as well, my wireless Bluetooth ones. I've got over-the-head Bluetooth, but I kind of just dig for day-to-day use having a single earpiece in. But I've been thinking for a while, it's been time for me to get something waterproof, something that can withstand the elements, and simultaneously that has two of them, so that I can wear them without having the wire on the back or front of my neck when I want to hear music and simultaneously. And this just happened to be one of the Amazon deals of the day. It is normally $49.99, which is about right for a decent Bluetooth. Even though this is two and they're charging an IPX8, they were an Amazon deal day, so I was actually able to get it for $29. I had a coupon and then I had points on my Amazon rewards card, so I actually wound up only paying $9 for them. So I could not beat the price, I could not beat the deal. And it's just one of those things that I need, so I figured, what the hell, why not get them? So we're going to do an unboxing so we see what it comes with. Later on down the road, I'll follow up with a review, give it a couple weeks, try them out, and then go from there. In the meantime, guys, as always, I want to thank you for watching. If you have any questions, comments, any recommendations, please feel free to reach out to me. For those of you guys that have already on YouTube, you know that I respond as quick as I can. You can also reach out to me on Facebook, Jesse Alfalto, Instagram, MedievalSpawn01, and you can also reach me on medievalspawn@gmail.com. Let's go ahead. Let's get right to it. So there we go. There's the boxing right there. And I got to tell you right off the bat, even before taking out the plastic, it has definitely got a premium feel. You could feel sometimes when something's a heavier grade cardboard mobility, you feel that. So that's always a comforting feeling when it comes to electronics. Sometimes you can buy something cheap. It's got a cheap box. And right there you start already questioning the value of it. And they really do see that. See, it's got the manufacturer's information, TOZO, right there with their website, www.tozostore.com. It's got the IPX waterproof function of earbuds and charging case, both for each IPX8 T10. Which means they're fully submergible. Doesn't mean you can take these on a roller coaster that goes in the water, but you can definitely go swimming with them. It shows you a quick picture of what's included. You've got the two earbuds, the charging case, and the different size cords. You've got the tethering, little piece of rope kind of to tether yourself so you can tie if you want to tie the case to a bag or something, and it's micro USB cord, QR code for the quick guide. It even tells you where to go to on their website. On the back, it gives you a breakdown of the specifications, support, charging, the works. It does not come with a charger from what I read online, so that's something you want to go ahead and provide. I have spares, so I'm not too worried. And I actually have a wireless charging station that I got just for this, because you actually put them in the case to charge, and then the case itself can either be micro USB or placed on a wireless charger, so I dig that. Let's see here, it tells you the different frequency ranges, so on, earbuds, whatnot. You got a barcode for the TOZO store barcode there, the Amazon barcode. And it's funny as heck because I don't think anybody paid attention to the way it abbreviated, because it says ask for running sport, which is great. It's got some kind of verification code here. And then we got on the side, let's see here, lets you know the name of the company in China, where they're located, the addresses, and so on in a couple different languages. Let's go ahead and get our trusty scissors here. Be very careful not to cut myself or damage the box. Let's go ahead here. And let's see if that's enough. Go ahead and get this bad boy open. Yep, that is it. Just going to peel that plastic right off. Over here, get rid of that junk. They get a little beat up in the Amazon box, but it is what it is. But still, you could still feel how thick and how much quality is really going on there in the box. So right off the bat, it pops open. It shows you here that you can register for a 1-year extended warranty. Activate here within 14 days. I love that. It's even got like a little plastic kind of cover here, so let's see what happens here. Oh, that pulls up and yanks pretty much friggin' everything out in one lump sum. Let's go ahead and see what we got going on here. So we'll start at the back. We're going to move that over there. We've got that 1-year warranty card. Follow us. Never let them miss a giveaway. Apparently they do giveaways on their websites. That's kind of cool. I'm going to throw that over to one side. Gives you a quick set of instructions here, how to pair, pairing the headsets, take them out, linking them, so on. I think if you know how to link one Bluetooth, you know how to link any Bluetooth. Shows you how to put it in as well. Put the earbuds in your ears, make sure indicator light side is on the bottom, rotating back earbuds to auricle side to fit snugly. I guess auricle, that's that curvature in your ear. So it's good to know, especially because I've never had earbuds. We've actually got an English booklet here with some further instructions and breakdown as well. It also comes in other languages, Japanese, I'm not sure what that is. Looks like it might be German and so on. Pretty decent copy, real hefty. That's good to see. Lets you know that they're really trying to compete out there globally. I pushed this all back in. I kind of made a mess of it when we open it. So on the first layer here of styrofoam, we've got the actual earbuds themselves. So if we go ahead and we'll take one of them out. We'll take them both out. What the heck, why not? Go ahead and move that off. A little bit of styrofoam there and there. Move that out, and there you go. You have the right earbud and the left earbud. And I don't know if the camera lets you capture it, but you can actually see where the lights are. They're right about there and there on either side of them. I'm going to put them over to the side just for a split second. Off to one side. This is the case. This is a charging case. You can see right here. There's the cover, since it is waterproof as well, where we have the micro USB port right there to plug it in, the lid. This thing feels really, really solid, which I dig that. It really, oh, it's magnetic too, so that's cool. So you don't have to worry about it flapping open. Gives you the information here at the bottom as far as, it's hard to read in black. I don't know if the camera is capturing it, but name of the manufacturer, the FCC guidelines, voltage and amperage needs and whatnot. And there's that looping piece I mentioned, but it's cool because that is a strong magnet. It's actually a little, it's not just so, you know, that you could pop it open. You actually feel some weight to it. Let's go ahead and let's drop these bad boys in here and see what a second. Boom, they just magnetize right into place. Wow, you see that? It's already got one that's charging. Look at that. It immediately turns on. Looks like there is some battery. There was some juice already stored in this case. Let's go ahead and pull those bad boys out. Actually, you know what? We'll leave them right on in there for the moment, and I'll deal with it later. Let's see what else is in the box. Not interesting. There you go, boom. A little contact point. Hold those over there. Let's see what we got here. So I'm pretty sure this, we all know what it's going to be. It is the infamous USB cable that we were talking about earlier, and that string. So let's go ahead and take a look. Oh, there's a little more than just a string too. We'll put that right there. What do we got here? Go in here. So in this little bag right here, we have the earbud replacements. It says that it comes with multiple pairs of earbuds because there are different size ears in the world. So we've got all the different sizes that you can need, medium, large, and so on. Oh, that's so interesting. I think that one's inside out. Yes, it is. It might be. I could be wrong. I'll worry about that later. But there you go. Those are the different sizes. I'm assuming small are these two. The one I dropped, it rolled away, is the other medium, and then these are the largest, and that one's concave. No big deal. I'll fix that in about a minute. Let's go ahead and drop these back in the bag for right now. Oh, so much fun doing this live. Let's go ahead and move those over, see what else is in the bag. This is the carrying cord and the micro USB. Again, love these poly bags, gives a good quality feel to it. So there is the lanyard strap right there. You can go ahead and tie it to the side of the housing so you can travel with it comfortably. And then there's the micro USB cord. You know, I gotta admit, I'm looking at it. It looks a little short, but I think the idea is that you're gonna be charging it from a countertop. I don't know anybody has a plug that high up on a countertop in their bedroom where most of us charge our stuff, but no big deal. I'll find a another cord or cable to use for it that extends and does what it needs to do. But that's everything that comes with it. It's very, very cool. I'm definitely looking forward to finding the most comfortable of these three earbuds and starting to use these bad boys. I mean, you know, for the price, I got a song of a deal. Even if I had paid the full 30 bucks for them, or even the 50, I think they're going to be a good investment. So I'm definitely looking forward to using them. I dig that you can see the lighting right through the case. It's going to be a lot of fun to figure out how these work and what they do and go from there. Digging it. Can't wait to use them. And that's pretty much everything. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Thanks, guys, and have a great night.